This video is going to show how to reprint previous invoices. We've had some requests from customers to have get a copy of their old invoices, and we can do that from Mobile Live without having to send it through the office. And it actually is a more correct invoice. It shows all the information, including your note that you wrote for the customer. So we're going to go over how to do that real quick. We're on the customer screen here. We're going to select the Cool Season Lawn program. And then we're going to go up and select the LO1 service, which has already been completed. And then from the service screen, we're going to click on the menu in the top left-hand corner and go down and select Production History. If you look at this page here, it's showing all the information about the LO1. Then at the bottom in the left-hand corner, there's a print icon here. We're going to click on that, and it's going to bring it up to print the back of the invoice first. And you're going to say yes to that. Then you're just going to go to print share like you normally would and go ahead and print the back of the invoice. Then we'll go back to Mobile Live here in a second and print the front of the invoice. So once you print the back, hit the back button. Then we'll select the front, so say yes. Go back to print share again. Go ahead and print the front. You can also email from here. It's a little complicated because you have to kind of download the invoices and then email them. They're hoping to add an icon here on this page that allows you just to email directly from it. But at this point, what we have to do is go down here and click on the print icon again. Instead of clicking on print share, we're going to click over here on the left on this PDF viewer. Once we open the PDF viewer, we're going to go up to the right-hand corner, up in the top right-hand corner, and click on the three-dot menu and select Download. So now we've downloaded the back of the invoice. Now we're going to go back over here and do the front of the invoice with the same thing. The PDF viewer again, top right-hand corner menu, Download. Now we have both sides of the invoice downloaded. So let's go back to the customer screen. Once we're back to the customer screen, we're going to click the email button at the top in the middle. Go down here and select Gmail. And then once the Gmail opens, we're going to click on this little paperclip up in the top right hand corner and click Attach File. These first two files are going to be the ones that we want. So you have to double click on them to select them. So we've got the front of the invoice. Now we're going to add the back. Now you can type a note into the customer here and go ahead and email those invoices to them if you want to. You can also access any invoices completed as of January 10th until now and then going on through the future from the Documents folder. We're here on the customer screen again. Down in the middle is a folder. This is where all the documents are held. If you go into the Documents folder, you'll see that the invoice front and back is right here. You can open these just like from the production viewer. It's going to ask if you want to download the file. You say OK. Then once the file is here, you can click on this arrow over here to go to print share to print them, or to go to the PDF viewer if you want to email them. And you just do the front and the back, same way for both of those. Since we do have the ability to do this from Mobile Live, if you can, try to send as many of them out through Mobile Live as possible. Like I said, it does print a little bit more like the original invoice so that the customer doesn't get confused.